guys, so today for the project you will need a ruler, any color, scissors, any type or any color, and duct tape. 2 rolls, preferably. So first up you will need to take the main color. I'm going to use blue and we're going to measure out 12 inches. We're going to do this 3 times. You're going to take it and you're going to flip it over so it's sticky. You're going to use your other color. I'm going to use green. You're going to make it go long ways, so that way you cover more space. After you finish this, you're going to trim off the edges so we have a nice clean cut and there's no stickiness. I got kind of annoyed with it, so I'm just going to rip it off. Now you're going to need to fold it into thirds. You're going to cut 1 inch off the flap so that way you have a little flap to where it can open and close and it's not going to overlap too much. You're going to take the green, you're going to measure 7.5 inches, and you're going to split it into 3.5 inches. You're going to fold it onto each other, sticky side to sticky side. You're going to do it again with the same color. So that way you have 2. You're going to fold them in half long ways so they look like hot dog buns. Now you're going to take 2 strips of blue and make each of them 3.5 inches. I'm estimating apparently. Cut both of them in half so you have 4 strips. Stick them on to one edge of the small flap and fold it over onto the main piece. Do the same with the other flap. Now take the other sticky piece and trim it off if you need to. Do the same thing with the other side. Now fold them over, create it to where it looks like a little pouch. You're gonna do that with both sides. And then you're gonna do the same with the top of the flap, but you're gonna split it in half again. Take the second strip and put it over the edge where the pouch is. You're going to trim it up a little bit so it looks a little bit more presentable. And there's the pouch. But we're going to update it a little bit more and make a little stickiness for it. I don't have any Velcro, so I'm improvising with duct tape. Then you can go snip there and snip there. Fold the sides down, leave the center, and only fold the center down. So it leaves a little bit of stick. And we're done! And there's your little pouch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this video. Let's get this video to 100 thumbs up. Thanks for watching with Mamma Mia Boosted.